What up? Got this 05 Volkswagen Touareg upper control arm. This the passenger side right here. Doing this guy right here. Same thing for the other side. You know what I'm saying? I did the same exact thing. Took off, this is an 18 millimeter. And these are 16s right there. You know what I'm saying? It's in there. You just, this my little setup. I like to use a long ratcheting 16, then hold it still on the other end with a 16, and then to get it out, the bolt, you know what I'm saying, which is this. I hold the bolt like this, and while I'm holding it with the left hand, then with the right hand, I come in like this, and you got to make sure you're hitting it straight that way, and just keep, you know what I'm saying, hitting it with the air hammer, and it'll come out, you know what I'm saying, not real easy, real quick. Like, I got this out in like 10 minutes, so, you know, the whole job take 30 minutes doing it like this. You know, all that said, you got to take out the whole goddamn strut, and, you know what I'm saying, that ain't true. You know what I'm saying, there's more than one way to do everything. You know what I'm saying, according to all that, you got to take out lower strut bolt, sway bar end link bolt. You gotta take off the sensor and all that. This side didn't have no sensor. The other side got a sensor though. You know, but you ain't gotta do nothing. You know what I'm saying? You gotta do none of that. You gotta take out the strut. You ain't gotta take off. You ain't gotta go to the top and take out none of them bolts and nothing. Just do it, just like I said. Just take out them 216s. And the only, like I said, you gotta have you something to hold the bolt straight. And once it starts getting crooked and going backwards, it's not gonna come out. So you gotta hold it, you know what I'm saying, straight to where it's parallel right here, and then hit it this way, knock it that way, and it'll come out. As long as you keep the bolt straight, it'll come out. So I'm gonna put it in, and basically same way when you put it in, then hold the bolt straight, and then you're gonna take your pry bar, and I usually use this right here, and I take it and I just slide it in just like that. Cool. This 05 Volkswagen Touareg. This the passenger side, you know what I'm saying, upper control arm. This is a V6 right here. All right, so according to all data, this procedure right here takes 4 hours. I got it done in 30 minutes. You don't have to take out the strut. All you gotta do is take out the 2 bolts on each side of the control arm, 16 millimeters each side, and then the ball joint nut, which is 18 millimeters. 30 minutes. All that is said, take 4 hours. Boom, cheat code activated. You know what I'm saying? Damn cheat hack. You know what I'm saying? If you want me to keep bringing in videos, you keep getting you know what I'm saying, the cheat codes, you know, the shortcuts. You know what I'm saying? Like Fleece Johnson said, aka the Booty Warrior, you know what I'm saying? We can do this the easy way, or we can do this the hard way. The choice is yours, you know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to show you the easy way. You want to see how to do it the easy way? Subscribe to the videos, like the videos. Peace.